Hey YouTube, Jesh here. Hang on. Doesn't feel right. Let me try this. Hey YouTube, Jesh here, and let's just jump into it. So I just recently went to a pre-pharmacy banquet with my organization, UHPPA, and they had a raffle. And the grand prize was the AirPods. And right now, I think as of 2018, the market value for these is like about $160 to $180, but I got them for about like 40 bucks. I think it was a good trade. So we're gonna do an unboxing for it. Let's get started. All right. So as we look at the box, you can see up here that it has this like almost 3D projected AirPods on it, and as you can see, no cords, and then the gorgeous Apple logo, and then that's the case for it with the lightning cable. So let's crack it open and see what we got inside. Alright, so as we're cutting, let's try to be as gentle as we can and just go through the seams just like that. Oh. And then just pull the plastic back. So the plastic case is off. Now you can just hold it like that. And then just pop it open. Slow and easy. Designed by Apple in California as the first logo. Then you pull out the handbook, and there they are in all their glory. I'll put that off to the side. Let's see, the charger is going to be underneath here. Pull out the charger. I just realized no power brick with it, unless I missed it, so I'll double check that in a second. But you can close the box, put it on the side. Alright, so let's start with the booklet that it came with, and let's see what we got here. We got safety and handling and how to handle it. 1 year limited warranty for the accessory products, and this is what we really need. What tells you what it's compatible with. So it's compatible with other Apple devices. It's compatible with the watch, with any iPad that has iOS 10 on it, and then Mac OS Sierra. And then when you open it up, it tells you how they all work. So let's see. Connect to other devices. If it's an Apple device, it will you just open the cap and it will automatically connect. And then the gestures, double tap for Siri. Check charge status, you just open it up. Charge, and then the only thing I'm shook about is that there is no power brick. It's like, how the heck am I gonna charge that? Like, do I just connect it to a MacBook or something? But I have a power brick at home, so I think it should be fine. Alright, so putting these back in here. Come on, come on. Just putting up the side. Let's see the AirPods themselves. So peeling off this, it's always so satisfying. Just peel it back. Oh wait, how does it work? Oh, now it's from the side. Okay, so go like that, and then this whole thing just comes up. It's like a sleeve. And then if I open it up, designed by Apple in California. Come on, focus camera. I believe in you. Aw, it doesn't want to focus, but right here it says designed by Apple in California. And then when you open it up, I'm kind of afraid because I'm shooting this on my phone, it might connect to my phone. But yeah, they're open and they're connecting. So here's what they look like from the inside. If I hold it just right, you can see. And they're each individual piece which come out like that. They look so nice. They just fit snugly in your ear like that. Looks pretty dope. I will definitely do a comprehensive review on it later. Alright, so putting that on the side. And let's just look at the power cord. I like how it comes neatly wrapped, but I'm still shook. Why can't they provide a freaking power brick? Is it like too expensive for Apple to do it? It's like, these are like $160 earphones. If I don't have something to charge it with, what's the point? Shook. So it's just a regular lightning cord that you usually get with normal Apple products. I have like 5 by now, but yeah. So now's the good test. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna connect it to my phone, and then I'm gonna do a comprehensive review, and that should be out by tomorrow. So until then, I'll catch you guys on the flip side. See ya!